All right, so this is your deadlift tutorial. I'm gonna stick with dumbbell RDLs because this is a variation that we use a lot, both double leg, single leg, adding rotation. There's a million ways to vary this, and I wanna make sure the foundation is solid. So taking the weights, helping with your setup, you're gonna start with your feet slightly wider than hip width, and initially, I'll face you, so we even want to think about sprawling the toes, connecting through the big toe, but keeping the arch lifted. Some people even say like you're going to try and drag the carpet apart between your feet. That turns on these outer hip muscles to support us from the get-go. Then you want soft knees. Stack your ribs over your pelvis. So even though we want to be up tall, we don't want to be arched so that our rib cage is tilted up. We want our rib cage and our pelvis to align with one another. I like to think about the ribs as an upside down bowl and the pelvis is a right side up bowl. If the two were Legos or could connect, they should click right into place over top of one another. Sometimes in an effort to stay tall, we tip the rib cage upward, and that can create more compression in your lower back than we need. On the flip side, we don't want to be slumped, so we're looking for that nice stacked position. I tend to do this as my reminder. Okay, am I stacked? And is my core canister set? If so, it's time to pick up the weights. So we've got the feet, we've got the core, and now shoulder blades are going to roll back a little bit to engage the upper back muscles. From here, you're going to drag the weights down your thighs, crease, sending the hips back until you reach hamstring tension that stops you. Likely you're at the top of your shins. And then we're going to stand up tall from there. Shoulders are back, core is stacked, feet are engaged, soft knees. Send the hips back, slide the weights down. I know that's a lot of cues. You shouldn't eventually need all of them, but I'm giving them so that whichever one speaks to you or to what you know to be challenging for you in the deadlift, you can take that one and remember it. So from the side, toes are sprawled, knees are bent, core is stacked, shoulders engaged. Send the hips back, pull the carpet apart with your feet. Back is totally flat throughout, and then stand tall. One more time, connect through the whole foot, send the hips back, drag the weights down, proud chest, stand tall. The big mistakes come when our upper body leads the way and we slump forward. If we try and reach the weights away from our body, or if we lock our knees or bend our knees too much. Those are the three things to look out for. If it feels wonky, you can put the weights down, even pick up the dowel again and do your hip hinge test, reconnect with that feeling, and then go back to the weights.